most existing data sets do not capture farmer water use. That's something that is missing in most agricultural production surveys. So what we did differently was we went in season to our site, which was the Hakra branch canal, and we measured water discharge in over 200 locations, water going to farmers. So we measured in season the amount of water that was going to a farmer. We coupled this with a regular production survey, agricultural production survey post-season, and putting these two things together, we were able to calculate the amount of water that farmers were getting from the canal system. The fundamental identifying assumption is that the water that flows to farmers from the canal system is out of their control. It's not a choice that they make. And that's important, because if it's not a choice that they make, we can view this as an experiment that's helping us characterize the relation between a farmer's profits on the one hand and the amount of water that they're getting on the other hand. Okay? Our test for this was to see if we could characterize a non-linear relation between farmer profits and the amount of water that they're getting. If we see non-linearity in it, that implies that different farmers' marginal net benefits are different from each other. That would imply inefficiency. So we use this test, we take this test to our data. We have a sample of about 350 farmers, and using our improved water measures and our calculation of their net revenue, we're able to test whether we're able to characterize this relation, the relationship between net revenues and farmer water, and we find that it's nonlinear, which suggests that allocation is inefficient. Using our estimation, we're able to back out the loss. If we were to reallocate the water to get the best allocation possible, we'd find that the whole system, this group of farmers, our sample, would generate 13 to 14% higher profits. So right now we're leaving 13% on the table. We could be gaining some. The policy implication of this is simple. We need to move toward a market allocation. That's a very long-term goal, and we need to start taking steps toward that. That requires political will and a desire to reach that goal. If we believe that that's the goal we want to get to, we can get there, but it's difficult. There are entrenched interests and there's inertia in our system. So to get there will take a lot of small and systematic steps. That's a path we need to figure out. So that's the big question. The next big question is, how do we get from here to a market allocation system?